Comedy Spot bartender Mike here. Thanks for joining me once again in my kitchen for another quarantine cocktail. Today I wanted to share a recipe with you from a black bartender. So this recipe comes to us from Shannon Mustafer, who runs the bar program at Gladys Bar in Brooklyn, New York. Shannon runs what she calls a modern tiki bar program. So there's all kinds of classic tiki cocktails and also her modern take on a lot of the old favorites. Now I love a good tiki drink, but I don't really make them a lot here at home. And that's mostly because a lot of them require all of these really specific and complex ingredients that I just don't really have on hand all the time. Well, I was doing a little bit of research and I found this drink from Shannon's program that I just thought sounded so good and also relatively simple to make. This drink is called the Parasol and it's Shannon's modern take on the classic banana daiquiri. It's one of those drinks where I just looked at the ingredients and just knew that it was going to be good. I have not made it yet. This is the first time I'm doing it, so go ahead and join me at the makeshift bar here and let's see how it is. To make the Parasol, you will need white rum, banana liqueur, pineapple juice, and lime juice. And if you happen to have any whole nutmeg, fresh grated nutmeg is a classic garnish for a lot of tiki drinks, including this one. And since this drink has fresh fruit juices, we're going to shake it. First, add 2 ounces of white rum to the shaker. Next, add 3/4 ounce of banana liqueur, 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of fresh pressed pineapple juice. A lot of times when a recipe calls for pineapple juice, I'll just get it out of a can, but you know what? I had some pineapple in my fridge and I was feeling fancy. And I think you know what's coming next. Add ice and shake. We'll be putting this drink in a classic cocktail coupe. Pop on your strainer and just strain that in the glass. And that foam from the pineapple there is the perfect spot for a fresh grated nutmeg. And there we have the Parasol, a modern take on a classic tiki drink. Let's give it a try. It smells like winter and summer all at once with the nutmeg and the pineapple. Oh, that is just delightful. It's a very light-bodied drink, but it has that flavor you recognize from like a tropical smoothie. And then the rum just kind of gives it that punch at the bottom. It's really great. And there you have it, a modern tiki drink that's easy to make, easy to sip, and only requires a few simple ingredients. Cheers.